Hello and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making shrimp orzo. This recipe is super easy to make, just under 30 minutes, and you will have yourself the perfect, delicious meal. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by seasoning our shrimp with some seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, Italian seasoning, paprika. Now go ahead and give that a mix. Just like so. Now go ahead and set this aside. Now I am going to mince my garlic. Dice your onion. So for the sun-dried tomatoes, I like to pull them out and give them a rough chop. So as you can see, I still have some of that oil in here. I am going to save it, and I'm going to show you guys what to do with it later on. Over medium heat in a large skillet, add your olive oil. And guys, after your skillet has gotten nice and hot, go ahead and place your shrimp, and we're going to cook them for 2 minutes per side. And I am going to cook my shrimp in 2 batches because I do not want to overcook my shrimp. After 2 minutes, go ahead and put your shrimp. After 4 minutes, go ahead and remove your shrimp and place them into a bowl. And continue the same process for the rest. Using the same skillet, now I am going to use the leftover sun-dried tomato oil, and this is olive oil that is in here, so that works out perfect. To that, add your onion, and we're going to saute our onion for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add your garlic and the sun-dried tomatoes. And we're going to mix this and cook this for about a minute. After a minute, we are going to add our uncooked orzo to this, and we're going to cook this for about 3 minutes. Give that a stir. After 3 minutes, I am going to add my chicken broth. Give that a stir. If you have any leftover seasoning from the shrimp, go ahead and add that to the skillet. Give that a mix. Now allow this to come to a boil. And I am going to cover and I'm going to simmer this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how it's looking. Add your baby spinach. And this is still over medium-low. After adding in your spinach, add your heavy whipping cream. Give that a stir. Add your parmesan cheese. Add your shrimp back in. Go ahead and put the lid back on and cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is how it's looking. Make sure you taste your food to make sure that it doesn't need any additional seasoning. And this should take us to the end of this recipe. Hello guys, so after 25 minutes, my meal is ready. Take a look. I am going to serve it so I can show you guys what it looks like. Guys, tell me this doesn't look amazing. Oh hey, this is so delicious. Less than 30 minutes and you have the perfect meal. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.